Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to take stunning night city photos like this. To get started you will need a camera or a phone with a long exposure setting, a tripod, and of course the night city as your backdrop. Let's dive into my shooting location. I will be photographing this part of the city using naked lens of 18-55mm or a wider angle. The settings are aperture at f8 to keep the buildings in focus, ISO 400 because it's night, exposure time of about 1/5 second. Alright, here is the first photo. As you can see, the sky is too dark. I need it brighter, but how can I do that? Simple, let's go back and type Betanova. See, the sky is now brighter and has a nice color. Let's take a photo now. Now we need to wait until it gets darker and people turn on the light in their apartment. Now we can capture the second photo. The secret to a bright sky and beautifully lit buildings is Photoshop. You just need to combine two photos into one and you will get this, the perfect photo of the city. The next video I will show you how to combine two photos in Photoshop, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. Happy shooting!